Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Honeywell Smart Thermostat Pro series. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got the Honeywell Smart Thermostat Pro series. How do you actually go ahead and use it? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So essentially how to use it is that you simply just click on it. It is a touchscreen. And so how it works is that the center number is the current temperature of your room. The bottom number is think about it as like a target temperature. And so if I press down, you can see that it's going to cool it down to 75. But if I make it higher, then that means it's not going to turn on. As far as turning on the air conditioner or heater goes, all you got to do is click on the hamburger icon and then click on mode. And then these are all the different modes for the air conditioner for the Honeywell thermostat. So you have auto, which means that it selects heat or cool mode based on the indoor temperature. And then you have the heater, then you have the heater, and then you have the cool, and then you have off. But that's essentially how to go ahead and use the Honeywell Smart Thermostat Pro series. Now, there are other settings as well, such as the fan mode. What the fan does is that it basically runs while heating or cooling, or you can keep it on, which means that it runs continuously. And then you also have circulate, which means that it runs at intervals to move air throughout the home. And then you also have the priority, schedule, and then also have the weather. Now, there is other devices and sensors which are included with Honeywell thermostat if you have that. And you could also configure it in order to go ahead and connect it with HomeKit or the Pro Series Honeywell app. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use your Honeywell Smart Thermostat Pro Series and use your Honeywell Smart Thermostat Pro Series. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.